Hello, in this lecture of the essential calculus problems, I will solve limit as x approaches 0, tangent 3x divided by 5x. To solve this problem, let's start by checking whether direct substitution works here. This equation will be equal to limit as x approaches 0, tangent 3 times 0 divided by 5 times 0, and this gives us tangent 0 is 0, then 5 times 0 is also 0, and we get 0 over 0, an indeterminate form. Because direct substitution gives us an indeterminate form, we need another approach to solve this problem. First, I try to relate this. First, I try to relate this to a non-trigonometric function. We know that limit as x approaches 0, sine x over x is equal to 1. This is one of the most important limits that we use in calculus. Now, our goal will be to bring the given expression into the form of sine x over x. To do that, I should rewrite tangent 3x using cosine and sine functions. Our problem was limit as x approaches 0, tangent 3x divided by 5x. And I can rewrite it as limit as x approaches 0. I rewrite tangent 3x as sine 3x divided by cosine 3x. Sine 3x divided by cosine 3x, and we have 1 over 5x also. This is equal to limit as x approaches 0, sine 3x over x, and multiplied by 1 over 5 times cosine 3x. For this problem now, we have 3x inside the sine function. So we want to have the same expression 3x in the denominator as well. To create 3x in the denominator, we multiply both the numerator and denominator by 3. So this function becomes limit as x approaches 0, sine 3x, and I multiply x by 3, and I should also multiply the numerator by 3, then we get 3 over 5 times cosine 3x. And we know that limit as x approaches 0, sine x over x is equal to 1. And since x approaches 0, we know that 3x also approaches 0 here. Then let me show you if limit as x approaches 0, sine 3x over 3x. We know that x approaches 0, so I can write that 3x is equal to u. If x approaches 0, 3x approaches 0, then this means that u approaches 0. Then for this expression here, I can say that limit u as u approaches 0, sine of u over u, and this will be also 1. So here, for this part, we have limit 1. And for this part, we will have cosine 0. Cosine 0 is equal to 1. So we have as limit 1 times 3 over 5 times 1. And this will be equal to 3 over 5. So our limit is 3 over 5. And in the next video, I will solve limit as x approaches 0, absolute value of x times sine x divided by x. See you in the next video.